Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about Morgan Stanley Bank holidays in 2026. So let's get started. So as you can see on your screen, here is the bank holidays list of 2026. So as you can see, first holiday is New Year Day on 1st of January 2026. Second is Martin Luther King Day on 19th of January, and then President Day on February 16, and then Memorial Day May 25th, Juneteenth on 19th of June, Independence Day observed on 3rd of July, Independence Day on 4th of July, Labor's Day on 7th of September, Columbus Day uh, 12th of October, Veterans Day on 11th of November, Thanksgiving Day on 26th of November, and at the last Christmas Day on 25th of December. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.